This video explains how to buy shares of Trilogy Metals Inc., a metals exploration and development company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TMQ. This is an educational guide only and not financial advice. Investing involves risks, and you should do your own research. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you'll verify your account, usually with an ID, and you must add funds before placing a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TMQ to find Trilogy Metals Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand recent movements. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and TMQ ticker to make sure it's the right stock. Tap Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details, including fees, before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the order fills, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same steps.